Do you ever have those times where you're just kind of in a rut? You're not feeling quite your best. You're feeling very uninspired, unmotivated, and you just need something to help pick you up, get you going, get you motivated, something to inspire you. We're going to do that today. This video is going to be a collab video with my very good friends Ash from Makeup and Chaos, Andi from Andi Does Stuff, and Erica from Erica Conger. Ash is challenging all of us to recreate this look, which was created by Narami. I will have a link to the Instagram page where this look can be found. And I will also have a link to Ash, Andi, and Erica so that when you're done watching me create this look, you can go see how they interpreted it. And I'll also include some relaxing music so you can sit back and enjoy, relax, maybe get a snack, cup of coffee, shot of tequila if you need it, and just enjoy.
Slipping
For reference, I will put the inspiration picture back up. This was a lot of fun. It was very relaxing just to sit down with my makeup and just play with it. I used to say that at the end of every video. Play with your makeup. Pull your makeup out and play with it. It is meant to be played with. Yes, you want to put it on to look nice to go somewhere, but you can totally do this at home to play. You don't have to go anywhere. You can walk around the kitchen, make your family think you're completely crazy. It all washes off. And what a great way to learn how to put your shades together and the blending. I mean, it took a little bit of effort to try to get some of these shades blended together, especially on my 59-year-old crinkly eyes. It was a lot of fun. I hope that you found this video inspiring, motivating, and that it empowered you in some way to express your creativity. To me, this is freedom. It's absolute freedom, because I can sit down with my makeup and do absolutely anything that I want to with it. I can express myself in any way. Sometimes when you go outside of your comfort zone and you do things that you think you can't or shouldn't do, it builds your confidence in yourself. Do the hard things. Don't forget Ash, Andi, and Erica are linked down in the description box. Go check out their videos and see how they interpreted this look. Check out some of their videos, and if you like their content, subscribe to their channels. They're all amazing. I appreciate you being here. Before you go check them out, I'd love it if you would show that like button some love. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Okay. Love you, bye.